Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 26th. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full countdown analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still am very bullish on these higher time frames. I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern that is forming. I believe that it is going to go up and eventually take out these highs, probably end up all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. And I still think this looks like some sort of an ABC pattern, especially if you zoom out on the monthly time frame. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think that wave two was already over. I think we had a running flat for the wave two. I still think this first push up is a wave one. I still think this is a crescent like a wave two, and I believe this is now in a wave three. So we have the end of a bigger wave two right here, which makes this a wave one of three, two of three, and wave three of wave three. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily is where you can clearly see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 way pattern up, probably a wave one. It looks like this has already made a complete crescent. I really don't like the fact that this looks like three waves up. I mean, it does kind of resemble what could end up being an ABC crescent. So if it does make a big impulsive move down, we definitely want to keep that in mind. But as of now, it does look like a one. It does look like an A, B, C, D, E pattern. We definitely got a Fibonacci bounce. We definitely got impulsive move up. Hopefully this stretches out into a 1, 2, 3, and we're already in that wave three. So this is, like I said, a one of three, a two of three, and hopefully we're in a wave three of wave three. Because if we are, then we are definitely going to be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks, probably for at least the next several weeks and maybe even several months. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, there's always a possibility this is an A, a B, and a C. So if it does do some sort of a big impulsive move down with a break of structure, then you definitely want to be aware that it could turn into a wave C, and it possibly could keep on going down. We always need to keep all possibilities in mind. But as you'll notice, we are definitely making higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, until we get some sort of a break of structure to the downside. I personally am definitely going to continue to look for longs at the end of these pullbacks until we get some sort of a significant break of structure on at least a 4 hour daily time frame and up. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement just on this last little push right here. I was thinking this morning that it may have already ended a crescent. I mean, it did kind of make three waves down. It did make bounce off of 50%. The trend is definitely up on the higher time frames. I mean, like I said, we do want to be a little careful. I mean, it could possibly turn into a bigger crescent, a more proper looking ABC before it does keep on going up. Really, for me, it's in an uptrend unless it goes down and breaks this structure right here. So as long as it doesn't break this low right here, I am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend, whether it makes a more traditional ABC like this, or whether this right here really is the end of a crescent and it just keeps on going up. I guess time will tell, but either way, I am definitely looking for longs at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.